Hi, I'm Kevin with Cre8tive Digital Media, and in this video, I'm going to show you how I was able to rank my website on the first page of Google for multiple keywords and different blog posts in a relatively short period of time. We'll take a look at where I'm ranking and for what keywords, and basically I'll go over what I think caused me to be bumped up to the first page of Google with each of these posts, and how you can do the same thing without having to go out and perform manual outreach to bloggers or whoever to try and get backlinks. It is possible to rank without backlinks. It takes more work and more time, not necessarily more work, just different work. I think less work, but for a newer website, ranking on the first page isn't the easiest thing in the world. Especially, I was originally in Massachusetts, just outside of Boston, and a few months ago I moved to Arizona, so I had to completely redo everything on my website to reflect my new location. But in 3 months, actually 2 months, I was still able to position myself and optimize my website well enough that Google has begun to reward those efforts with first page rankings. So moving forward, let's take a look at what I'm ranking for. I'll show you the articles that are ranking. First one is SEO for plumbers in Phoenix. This is the article right here, and this is the Google page. I just got pushed onto the first page of Google. Actually, today's the first time I'm noticing it, so that's why I'm creating this video. But I'm number 8 on the first page right here for this article, which is Plumber SEO, search engine optimization for plumbers. And I just created this video, and I think this is basically what's given me that final push, because I was sitting around the 20. I was at like position 20 or between 20 and 30 for a while, and I would shift up to like 16, but I couldn't get on the first page until I started doing videos and created videos to accompany these blog posts, and the videos are titled the same way as my blog posts. There's multiple videos on here, so I have that first one is basically covering the keyword strategy for plumbing SEO, and I believe I have another video on setting up AMP, and then I just created another one earlier today about local SEO for plumbers. So that is the first article, and this is a website word counter, but that page has 6,113 words on it. Next up is SEO for roofers in Phoenix, which I am number 7. So it's number 8 for plumbers. I'm number 7 for roofers. This is the roofing SEO blog post, and once again, I created a video with the same keyword at the beginning of the title that I'm targeting on this page. My target keyword for this page is roofing SEO. So I created a video on roofing SEO. This is how to do keyword research and optimization tips for roofing websites. And the target keyword is at the beginning of the title, just like it is on the blog post. And this also has the AMP video in it and a video for on-page SEO for roofers. And this article is 7,400 keywords, 7,400 words. And this next article I am ranking 7th for. I was ranking number 10, and then I was bumped to like 11 yesterday, and today I'm at 7. So the rankings change, they're in constant flux. This is the article, and once again, I created the video covering everything in the article, essentially using the keyword. The keyword I'm targeting for this page is benefits of local SEO, as you can see in my URL up at the top. And I've used my keyword throughout my content as section headings or headers. What are the benefits of local SEO? This is what I'm ranking for. So it's not my target keyword, which is benefits of local SEO, but I'm still ranking for what are the benefits of local SEO. Given that my website has no authority and it's a new website, it's less than a year old, and I just moved across the country, I had to completely redo everything involving local SEO. So I had to go in and change all citations for my business on multiple websites: Google My Business, Yelp, Facebook, all my social media to reflect the fact that I'm now in Phoenix, Arizona. And this blog post has 5,000 words. So another extremely, well, not extremely, but pretty long article, but very in-depth. And I'm also ranking, speaking of local SEO, this is for SEO services, Scottsdale, and I'm in the map pack for that, as well as for Arizona local SEO services. And where it says right here, their website mentions local SEO services, I actually just added this page to my website 2 days ago. I just had all my SEO services, or local SEO was included on my SEO services page, but I want to focus on local businesses and providing SEO services to them. So I finally motivated myself to create a local SEO services page. And with the Scottsdale SEO one, I have a Scottsdale SEO page. Now, looking at these pages individually, I think it's the fact that I've implemented or done on-page SEO fairly well and included videos that I'm ranking. So on-page SEO involves optimizing the elements, the visible elements of your website, essentially, like your page title, your meta description, your URL, or the slug for a particular page. The slug being this last part. This is your root domain, but after this slash, this is your slug, or this whole thing is this is your permalink. So permalink being like a permanent link to this page. I provide a table of contents which enhances the user experience, especially for longer articles. If this was a 1,000-word article, I wouldn't include a table of contents. Being that it's 7,000 words, it's kind of a pain to scroll all the way down to try and find each of these sections. So these are all my H2 headers. Why you need Plumber SEO, my keyword is Plumber SEO, and I use it throughout my heading 2s. But it isn't, not all of my headings are Plumber SEO and then whatever I'm focusing on in that section. Try and use the keywords like plumber or plumbers and SEO in the headings without essentially over optimizing. I include a number of links to other resources that I think are valuable pertaining to this subject. This is a link to a Neil Patel article. This is Brian Dean, I believe. No, this is a Yoast article. I provide plenty of images that also have the alt text or image alt text optimized, and the images are named correctly. So the alt text for this image is Plumber SEO Google keyword suggestions. So I use my keyword and explain exactly what's going on in this image. This one is Google keyword suggestions for plumbing flagstaff, and that's exactly what this image is. It's literally a screenshot of Google keyword suggestions for when I typed in plumbing flagstaff. Provide links to keyword research tools that I think are valuable and helpful. Another link, external link to a article by Brian Dean from Backlinks. The alt text on this is example of well-designed plumbing company website, and the alt text on this plumbing website makes it easy for customers to contact them. So I'm using the word plumbing, but not my keyword, and just describing what the image is about. I provide links to both of those websites and to another plumbing website, and try and break up. I mean, there's 7,000 words of text, over 7,000 words of text on this page. So I use a lot of images to break up all that text. It makes it easier to read. And I have more links to additional resources like Google's mobile friendly test. This is an internal link to a blog post that goes along with this video. And I'm using my keyword as the anchor text, my keyword for that page. This blog post is targeting Google AMP as its primary keyword. And if you look on the bottom left of the screen, you can see the URL as I hover over this anchor text. The URL is creativedigitalmedia.com/Google-AMP. So I use my keyword as my permalink or URL slug, and more external links to resources that are helpful for optimizing a website, and a video on local SEO for plumbers, and then internal links to, this is to that blog post, the benefits of local SEO, and this is to a blog post on local SEO marketing. This is to an SEO friendly website blog post that's even way more in depth than all three of these articles combined amazingly. It's 21,000 words. As you can see, I'm using plenty of external and internal links. My image alt text is optimized, and my text is broken up with headings and subheadings and bold font in places, or italics in some places. And I think what boosted me or bumped me up to the first page is adding video to each of these blog posts. I also use a table of contents on my longer blog posts because it makes it a lot easier for people to get exactly where they're trying to go. So that's it for this video on how I was able to get on the first page of Google without building backlinks, sans the backlinks. If you have any questions or comments, let me know down below. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video or got any value out of it. If you would like some help getting your website on the first page of Google, go to Cre8tive with an 8 digitalmedia.com and contact me via the Contact Us page. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel and have a great day.